guys, it's Taylor with the Tanning Store, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up and take down your pop-up tanning tent. So to get started, just go ahead and remove it from the bag. And as you're doing this, just be aware of your surroundings. Since the tent will open by itself, you just want to be cautious of what's around you. There. Alright, and then from here, go ahead and find the sides where it will open up. Here, we'll just open into the sides. And it helps me if I use my foot to brace the other corner of the tent. So then from here, I'm just going to pull it out like so. Okay, and then to take down your tent, you want to remember whichever side you pulled out first is going to be the side you fold in first. So in our case, it's going to be this side here. So again, I'm going to use the foot to brace this corner, and then use my other foot, and then my hand, and then fold in that side, and then shake out. And then I find it easier to fold back if you take the side with the opening and face it away from you. So I'm going to turn it outwards, move the tent out a couple of feet in front of you, grab it from the top, and then using your body, fold it over like so. Now move it around so y'all can see better. And then once it's in this O shape, you want to take your right hand, fold that down first, and then using the left, fold that side over as well. All right, and there we have it. Hopefully that video helps you guys. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.